Hey guys, welcome to my video. I'm Kashyap and today we're gonna learn how to make an igloo. So as you can see, I'm already inside, right? Like that's a window that I made, and then that's the entrance. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is actually make a gigantic pile of snow, right? So I made mine around 6 foot. Next, what I did was I started digging my way in, right? And as I got in, I made it like a little wider and also a little taller, right? So let's go out, and then that's basically it. And if you want, you can like shape it out, make it look like an actual igloo. Right, so let's go outside and take a look at how it looks from the outside. Okay, almost there. Okay, so this is basically the igloo, right? Yeah. That's basically the whole igloo. And then this is how it looks like from the inside. So that's the window. Right, so let's go back inside. Okay. So I hope you guys like this video. Right? This is an easy way to make an igloo. It might not be exactly like an igloo, right? It wasn't built brick by brick, right? It was just kind of dug out. So yeah, hope you guys liked my video. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below for more videos. See you next time.